Hey everyone, if you're a beginner and don't know how to make a resume from scratch, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make a professional resume for beginners in 2026. First, use a free resume builder like resume.com. It makes everything super easy, even if you have no experience. Next, choose a simple and clean resume template. Beginners should always start with a layout that is easy to read and professional. Now, add your personal information. Include your name, phone number, email, and location clearly. Next, write a short resume summary. Just describe who you are and what type of job you are looking for. Then add your education details. Beginners should focus on school, college, or recent studies. After that, add your basic skills. Include things like communication, computer skills, or any abilities you have. Finally, keep everything clean and simple. Don't add unnecessary information or overcomplicate your resume. So yeah, that's how beginners can make a resume easily. Follow each step carefully, and you'll have a professional resume ready in just a few minutes. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner tutorials for fast and easy guides.